Hey feds, it's rare that I get a question that I've never been asked before. This is one of those questions that I've never been asked before. Let's look at this. If you just keep the FEHB and don't add Medicare in retirement when you turn 65, what happens to all of that money that you paid into Medicare over the years? Great question, right? What happens to all that money? Well, we have to understand when you pay Medicare, where does that go? That's the first thing. Now, typically we pay 1.45% of our earnings to Medicare, and that goes to fund Medicare Part A, which is the hospital insurance, which when you turn 65 is typically free. It's premium free. You don't have to pay for it. So that's what it funds. So when you turn 65, there are a few reasons, but typically you want to just go and get it when you turn 65. There are a few reasons not to every now and then, but rarely will someone not get Medicare Part A when you turn 65. And that funds Medicare Part A. Now, what you are probably talking about with this question right here is Medicare Part B. I guess you are thinking that this Medicare tax that you're paying into every 2 weeks funds Medicare Part B. It doesn't. It just funds Medicare Part A. So as long as you get Medicare Part A, which is premium free, then you'll be using what you put in there already. Now, that's not really how it works overall, because it's not like they're saving up money for you and then they're paying for your premiums. You just get it premium free when you retire. We go into different strategies in our workshops of, should you do FEHB? Should you do Medicare Part A, Part B? What does that look like? Come learn, enjoy with us.